What's up, guys? Welcome back to day 14 of the 30-day AI Academy Challenge. If I look a little different and it seems like some time has passed, because it has. It's been about a month since I filmed the first half of this course. And then some things came up around the school and the community and the newsletter, and we're back because we got to film these last 16 days. Again, this entire course is for anyone wanting to learn the basics of AI, right? I'm seeing some comments on the first half of the course. We're like, oh, this is too elementary. That's the reason we have the paid group. The paid group takes the basics of the learning and teaches you how to make money and advance your skills in the AI Academy Plus. But for the AI Academy and the 30-day challenge, we're going to hop into day 14 here, which is about AI images and video. As always, subscribe and follow for more important updates regarding the course. YouTube.com/itsFounderDrew or Instagram.com/FounderDrew. Share the course. Let's start a revolution and change people's lives together. Bonus 40% commission affiliate opportunity. Monthly giveaways. Complete your worksheets, stay active, and level up. We give away monthly prizes. Right now, it's Apple products. Bonus tip. Watch this course in 2x speed, save yourself some time, and share your results and experiences with others. Pretty quick section today, but we're going to talk about how to generate images, describe what you want in those images, an AI video, and we're going to create it for your goal. Again, the whole premise of this broad course is whatever you're working on, whether it's a business, whether it's side income, you can take these learnings and it will definitely save you time throughout the week in whatever you are doing. That's why I think this course is kind of broad and the beauty of it. So, talk about generating images. So you can make images from your words. Type what you want and you can get a picture back. This used to be revolutionary in the AI space, and now it's getting scary good. This is not the same as vision. Day 7 was reading images. Today it's about making them. Use it for real stuff: thumbnails, diagrams, mock-ups, social posts, whatever it may be. And make sure you're picking the right tool. So most big AIs make images now. So we're going to go through a quick demo here. We're going to swipe over. Let's go into ChatGPT. I can't type. And we're just going to say, create me an image of somebody learning AI for the first time. You can be broad, you can be concise. ChatGPT is what I personally use. There's some great image and video generators. Higgsfield is up there, which I think we'll get into later in this video today. But I just want to show the possibility of, or just the fact that the only thing stopping you from visual creativity now is in your mind. You can have an image sketched out in about a minute here of pretty much anything you want. Obviously, there's guidelines or safety precautions on all these big models. But again, the whole point of this course is to take whatever problem you're working on and shave some time. Give yourself some time back on whatever that is. I'm not sure how many of those will include AI images and video. I know for the paid community, we're coming out with like a finance course around meta ads. See, an image of somebody learning AI for the first time. What is AI? Roadmap. Best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. Great. Just a quick example there. So, making images from your words, not the same as vision. Pick the right tool. Iterate on it. Iterate on it. I think that's very big. If you want something detailed, you should always be iterating on regenerating it and tweaking it until it fits. Describe what you want. I think this is super important. Be specific: subject, style, colors, mood, and layout. So we could go back to ChatGPT here and say, I want this guy to look like he really needs to learn what AI is about. He should have a purple hoodie on and a clown hat. And we'll let that run, and we'll come back here in a second. But let's go through the rest of this slide. Name a style, flat illustration, photo, 3D render. Set the format, the size, and what it will be. And then subtract. Say what to include and what to actually leave out. And reuse your prompts. Save image prompts in your library. We talked about this on day 10, guys. That's why I always say do this course in order, or you will be missing stuff from earlier sections. So let's see if this is done. It should be almost done here in a second. Super excited about the engagement we've had on this course so far. The whole point of this school. Oh, there we go. Purple hoodie, clown hat, looking like he really needs to learn this. The whole point of this school is to educate people, and you got to start with the basics. So, did we finish the last? Wow. Reuse your prompt. Yep, save them. Yep. Okay. Going into AI videos. Text or image to video. Turn a prompt or still into a short clip. We talk about a lot of this in the AI Academy Plus because we talk about AI UGC, AI content creation, TikTok affiliate program, and how you can make money with that. Great for short clips, intros, B-rolls, simple explainers, and know the limits. Keep clips short. Long video is still a little rough, but it is getting better. Match the use, social hooks, demos, background. We have a whole social media AI course in the AI Academy Plus as well. And I know in the free school here, we will be dropping some free sauce as well. Moving fast, these tools are improving monthly. You always want to check what's current. I fall victim to this sometimes of not always knowing what's up to date and what's next. And then I realized I've been doing something manually that AI could have been handling. So creating for your goal. So whatever your goal is that we've gone over the past 14 days, pick one visual you need, thumbnail, graphic, or a clip for your goal. It could even be a vision board that you want for where you're going. Write a clear prompt, spell it out, the subject with everything we've learned in the last 14 days. Generate and refine it until it's actually usable and what you want, and then save it. Add it to your goals portfolio. So, demo, we just showed you how to create a visual. ChatGPT, Claude can't do it yet. Gemini is a good one. Higgsfield for video is what I suggest. And then fill out your worksheet, founderdrew.com/day14, and then post your results and accountability. So again, if we go over to the school here, you guys know this by now. You're all great at it. We go here to community. Accountability, you can see all the people in here that are doing their accountability. You will post your accountability in here. This guy just finished lesson 4. That's awesome. And then if you want the worksheets, it's attached to this lesson, but you can also go founderdrew.com/day14. Oops, not 144, 14. And it will pop up here. And then you just go file, make a copy, and you can go in here and start filling it out. So what you generate, what you use, the tool you use. Again, we want to save all these worksheets so we can remember and go back for when they're needed. Describe it well. The prompt you used, you should have a detailed prompt in here. And then check off that you regenerated it, you tweaked it until it actually fit. Try the AI video, a short clip. Higgsfield has free credits, and then one limit that you ran into. Create for your goal. Again, whatever your goal is, you should have something for it. Save into your prompt library. This prompt library is something that we're going to continue to use throughout the course. And it's honestly something that I think you can carry on to whatever you're building with AI. Lock it in. Check these off. I made at least one visual, and I saved the prompt that worked. Post an accountability, and then keep this worksheet. Please keep the worksheets, guys. It's very important. Great. So summary for today. Quick lesson today. Make images from a prompt. We learned how to be specific, the subject, style, and the format. We talked about AI videos, short clips for now. And then tomorrow we're going to talk about data, which is one of my personal favorite things, docs and sheets. If you want to go faster, as always, founderdrew.com/consultant. I haven't really plugged that at all yet, but if you go here, oops, did I spell something wrong? Oh, wow. It's been a tough day. Founderdrew.com/consulting will take you to our cohorts page. I take on 10 students a month for honestly pretty cheap. I've seen people charging like $2K for this, starting at $497. 10 students a month, 8 classes, and we're going to 8 live sessions. You get a free month of AI Academy Plus, and we're going to show you how to actually take everything you've learned and turn it into revenue. How I'm making 10K a month passively with AI, and how you can do the same. I did a small test. I think it was 3 students with this. No complaints. I think one of them has already hit 1K a month, which is super, super exciting. But that's optional. If you want to go faster, that's the link. All money gets reinvested to reach more people. I literally just met with an ads agency to reinvest the money we're making here to run paid ads to the free school. Think about that. We're about to start paying Facebook to drive people to this free community. All money gets reinvested. Super, super excited. Those of you know, we do these in one take. So sorry for the cough and the drinks of water. If you're ready to build and scale, school.com/the AI Academy Plus, /the AI Academy Plus, AI Academy Plus. Full side hustles coming in here. This is what our classroom looks like. Pick in your side hustle. AI newsletters, content creation, UGC, avatars, agency, freelancing, working vault, live coaching calls. All all this value in here, $97 a month. It's going to be absolutely ridiculous. Ready to build and scale? If you're enjoying the course, please post a testimonial. It would mean the world if you just learned something, just to show that I'm providing value here. Let's get to work, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 15.